Today I'm here to explain about these questions. Evaluate the following limits. Let's start with number 1. Limit log 2 of x as x approaches 0 from right side. So to solve this question, I recommend you to sketch the graph first. Let me sketch it. When you sketch the graph, it's better to just simply plug in some numbers into the function. So for example, log 2 of 1 is 0, and log 2 of 1 over 2, which is negative 1. Like this. And log 2 over 2 is 1. Oh no, this one, sorry. It's not 0, it's 1. And log 2 of 4 is 2. So the graph is going to be like this. If you have no idea about it, I can just simply give you the tip. For example, log 2 of 8 is actually 3, but it might be a little bit hard for you to understand this one. So let me just give it the color like this, red, maybe one more, orange. Actually, you can change the form like 2 cube is equivalent to 8. It's the same thing. It's saying same thing. Okay, like this. So in this case, I was trying to find the value of this one. So if you have no idea about log 2 of 8, you just simply think about 2 to the power of something, to the power of what is going to be 8. It's going to be simpler, isn't it? So if you plug in 3, it's going to be 3. So that's why it's going to be 3. Okay? But anyway, this graph became like this. The value doesn't go to... so x value cannot be negative in a log. So yeah, it became like this. And when x approaches 0 from right side, I mean from here to here, which is going to be negative infinity. That's all. Okay, then let's work on one more question. Limit 3 to the power 1 over x negative 4 as x approaches 4 from left side. In this case, you can just simply plug in 4 into here. Sorry. Here. So it's approaching from left side. This means x value is really close to 4, but it's a little bit smaller than 4, like 3.99999 something. Yeah, it means x approaches from left side. If x approaches from right side, x value is going to be really close to 0, but a little bit bigger than 4. Okay, so in this case, it's going to be really close to 4, but a little bit smaller than 4, negative 4. It's going to be 0.1 or something like that. It's just an example. It's going to be like 0, like this as well. But anyway, this is getting close to 0, and it's going to be negative. So 1 over negative 0, which is negative infinity. You know, if the denominator is really small, the value of this one is going to be really bigger. Yeah, it's not 0 actually, it's really close to 0. Then it's going to be 3 negative infinity. You know the function of 3 to the power of something, it's going to be like this. So as x approaches negative infinity, the value of this one is getting close to 0. Yeah. So the answer is 0. That's it.